into ekhalayo bakwethu efrayeni. Hey. Hey, togafa mo.
Because of the time.
Ngivela ngakhipha lento eboxini ngiyibeka sengivulile. Ezinzima Jalo siyanqoba. Ubani? Ubebe wazini ngijust ayibo izinto ezidumayo bathi
lesi there's a degrees.
faka phela ngifuna 5
Unbox
unbox the air fryer with me. Right. Buy some flex. Emanyana. Guys, unbox air fryer ngiyithenge ngiyimaza. Askara 8. Esinzima.
Share microwave in noma cha.
I2 plate wena senzile 2 plate. Angithi air fryer 2 plate ne? Same thing ne?
Oh,
yebo mina ama chips. Umuntu
Sizwa.
akafutha njengawo.
Hayi kamusa.
masaba natheki.
Phela ngifuna ukutesta ngale ya sandwich kwanele yenze phela.
Ngiphezendisi
Le ngakusendela yona wathi wena ngiyayenza into mina.
eqala. Bese simple sithi bake.
Yenza
Ufuna ngusengilele ngifaka ama air fryer
ngithenga i-air fry umnikazi wempuphu.
Sithenge lokho ngathi silicone. Ne? Kuhlala ukudlifaka phakathi.
Oh Nkosi yami. Yabona nje futhi lo music yafefeza. Ngaplaka ngingazise kuqhuma izinto engazazi la. Hey, storage enogesi ni. Okay, sharp. Lelo ufake isinkwa.
Example. Ngizaba
Musenze example esingaboni.
ngiyabonisa. Guys, ngibhaliwe.
Yeah.
18 minutes isikhathi lesi.
Yo.
200 degrees. Bayisithi 200 already. Then you bake isikhathi.
Good for how long?
Yes. Maybe but you can keep on opening.
Ay, oh, kuyashisa kona keep. Oh, bread. But I'm 6 to 8 minutes. Should be
80 degrees.
Oh, actually, this is perfect. How cake in then have cake la.
Because you can make a multiplicative.
How? Engekho nje le. Meat, asipele inyama.
No, let's go to how.
Ngifuna uyibona ever. Please don't forget to flex. Don't worry, honey. Kona la kazo kwenza friend kanje. Ayithulani. Useless motherfucker. Ofuna isandwich aveze kimi menzele. I-airfryer ngithenge cash. Yo mami, i-airfryer yakho sisazoyisebenzisa bo. French fries uzobona ngazokufundisa ukona la azokufundisa umuntu omdala. Jalo. I need to take ukona la azokufundisa waza la kimi.
Ukona mama.
Halena. Ayibona banana sonje lo sifike na. Oh, wayisumnyama nje.
Ifridge.
Ayo, yakhala ngemali yami engakushutha zona ekhora kwi-event. Hayi ungasedlala ngobile
Lepluku lisalibona omunye umuzi linekiwe yezo. Nakusasa ukwanele sekhiphe eplukeni.
no nja uyathatha-ke khululeka isandla sakhe si-easy uthathe outfit of the day. I know it's just the stress and my jacket. Ngicela ngakhwehleli la ngoba ukhwehlela ngathi ikhehle lizoshona.
Oh, ndizahamba utshela abantu.
Yeah.
Awuyaphapha.
Ngathi ikhehle lizoshona.
Oh, hamba utshela abantu.
Yes. To wash these dishes and make
Lionel
food
Messi has
and then
more
after
trophies than Ronaldo. Babuye kuyasesha.
ngaze ngashele ngani ngaze ngash.
Babuye kuyasesha.
Lionel Messi has few trophies than Ronaldo with 46 official career titles compared to Ronaldo's 100,000. Wow, Ronaldo is such a darling.
Not 100,000, 35.
Search ukuthi who's the best between Ronaldo and Messi. Search la ngifuna uzose Google uthini. Bangangichazela ukuthi i-argument ayiphela ngifuna ukwazi. As I was saying that I'm about to wash dishes. Akunamanzi. Ubani imeya yaseNewcastle ubani igama layo? Amanzi awekho. Ahlale ngekho everyday awekho. Let's do Lwetsi dance. Emanya. Zobona ngizoyenza. So when are you flexing? Today. Don't worry. Angendaba. Ngifuna ukusho ukuthi imeya yaseNewcastle everyday amanzi awekho. Kumele uvuke kusasemnyama ugeze otherwise anya uthola amanzi. Like kanijwetsa geza ngani muhle kanje yazi ukuthi amanzi egeza ngakutshela iqiniso ngoba ebhodweni cabanga sikhamanzi wa teleport because amagiza are empty
Azongijwayela la.
Letsini Matufetho ku rhythm seat. Dangufetho ku rhythm seat. Isaphila akakashoti. Nesikisi. Yamensha mfana fethu. Tafethu.
Mama utasho.
Bagcwalise. Ethini? Bagcwalisele uyowakha ngekhanda. No, like abuya ne. And then siwafake kuma-bucket, siwafake sithele ama-bucket. Sigcwalise amabhodi bese ahamba. Ifridge. Ngicanisele uma ifridge. Yo, Maria kudala le fridge le. Ngisabhayiza nami. I'm sure wena wasahamba ngepheli nobhabi ibhala ukuthi Mandela. Ivele. Enembo. Hi. Hi, how are you? You so beautiful, guys. Siyabonga. Thank you so much. How today I saw someone. I hope ukhona la ku live yami. Hello. Ngibona ku text. I'm showing Kimberly text. And then she was sitting behind and she tapped me and she's like, hello. I'm like, hi girl. How you doing? She's like, I'm good. I'm like, scrumdiddly yum yum. What's in the mom? Hey, you're so beautiful, guys. Shem lava ngiyabazama bafethu bafuze nini. If mina ngekho ngabe nje bad. Nangu umunye ubhizi yakutsa la what. Nangu umunye ubhizi yakutsa. If it wasn't for me, le inwele lezi ngaba banazo. Yazi
Okay.
ngiyabazama.
Since you uthengela ama-Sprite awu-6.
Right mina.
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to my
Welcome back to your channel.
Amanda Vanilla Kalosha. Okay, followers.
Fats from Rhythm City. Can you greet my mother-in-law for me? Okay, my grandmother. Don't worry, I'll be her. When you get braces, I got them like.
Better man.
It's already number braces gonna.
That's man.
Don't lie.
2 weeks back.
Yeah, 2
We're
weeks
going
back.
to your 3rd week now.
And then I'm getting used to them.
Please flex.
The letter is in happy is in com. Let's
She's
mama
the
say
big
this out.
sis. I'm the big sister.
No, I ain't got. Darling, I'm going to pampas.
Oh, darling.
I'm going to pampas. No, the last. Tuana. Cook a car.
I'm
the big one.
You have a good one.
You're really beautiful. Yeah, thank you. Sorry. Hey, ineqiniso. No, vele uneqiniso wena. Umuntu oneqiniso. Lo mina ngoba sewutafet sezizathi sidangane le. Ngishela tata. Ngofila green. I'm sorry. Etikache, jacket etikache.
Guys, sishiyana ngathi hey ngithi zibambe phumile sishiyana ngathi 2 years ukhona umuntu ana 2 years ongasho umuntu
Now I'm sure 4 years no 4 I put 4 years 6 no full grade 1 wezalwa ngayibuza like have stop let's do this again
ngilose semhlabeni
are they hurting you the braces okay first day was it the first day was kwenzeka
the
ngabo
first 3 days
yeah kwenzeka ngabo 3 kudlala ibafana angacishe ngashona bafethu ngavuka ngahlala I almost died for like 3 days and then after that I was fine but like kuyenzeka ukuthi smaller ones are always the older ones you know because lava you know what happens let me explain because it's fair and lava ne once bazalwa bona awukuthola ukudla because badla kakhulu bedlule wena and yonke into boyithatha iphi umntwana buka umntwana masumphilise utafet wena nje unamanga wena sumncane so nje yeah siyabonga Sprite ngicela ngicela nje sandwich khona ngicela ngafuni nje umnengi ngiyakuthuma ngimdala how Sprite yani sawubona Thandisa hi yeah vele ngiqinisile I know vele bathi kumntwana
ukuthi ngiyangena nento yami ukujiva abantu abangaka
hawu ngabe kujiva mina kuphela
hayibo ukujiva nje kamkabi
Can I see your outfit? It's not really a nice dish. Yeah, you know I don't eat KFC. Can I see your outfit? Actually, I mean KFC so I'm flex. Feli KFC I go see happy happy.
la phela sengiyayidla
Yes, KFC. KFC. Diabonese romance. Diabonese ngcono ngoba ine
KFC special zathini sinothatha KFC
Sathi KFC. Tina.
Come on.
Alright. Emma sajabulile KFC. Oh yes. It's special. Yeah, come on, bro. You right KFC bafethu kodwa nje eish mina nje chicken. Ishapa kava
Like ningayidla.
Yes. I can admit that you're beautiful and stuff, but your body is on another level. Thank you, my word. Thank you. You're beautiful. Thank you. My dog is pregnant. Oh, let's just chop it up. Can't I? Okay, like real chats. They are preventing in Java pregnancy. See, like how we don't have a dog. Dogs don't like my grandmother. Whenever we buy a dog, yeah. So even if we take care of its initial snatches and they die. So I'm South Africa by it. Scorn like South Africa. Scorn. See appeal. It's a KZN right now. No, only the sandwich. Yahlala. Ingane jaho khula yazi ukuthi ikhula empilweni awukho mnandi.
Guys, I'm doing my 4th university.
Daydreaming. When I'm going to gym again. When I go back, because I'm here, okay. Where is Kuluma Novani? Who's Ngonyama? Can I sing Ngonyama? Can you please flex since you're not busy? Why are you saying I'm not busy? I'm talking to you guys. I'm still gonna go live again. If I end this live, I'm gonna make it finally charge and then go live again.
What are you flexing?
I'm showing a gym, I mean. So they wanna see. So yeah.
Can't you just go to your page and watch the videos?
No, I wanna flex again. Live, Pela Lem. Usakumbulu Williams. I wait, let me think. Ngazi abo Williams abayi 2. There's a one who's a white. It's definitely not the sun. Is it the Williams?
Sorry.
Okay. Yo, guys, I vote like
What is my KFC fry?
yay. Akakholwa ukuthi ujwayele. Yo. Yeah. Uzama ukuyiconvince ukuthi ujwayele. Mara nayo yabona akujwayele. Oh yes, ngiyakhumbula Williams. How are you doing, bro? I remember you very well. Me and Williams, we went to the same high school, but I think he left. Hey, and when did you get your braces? Got my braces 2 weeks ago or a week ago. 2 weeks ago. So yeah. Ngokufika lapho ngibuza ukuthi sewasho naphi bakithi. Ngiyafika azinami. As much as I don't come here more often now, but I do come home. Yeah, yo, I'm so happy. I am so happy.
Why do you like that kubambele ngakwe microwave?
Because ngiyayithanda i-microwave. I hope khona umngane wakho kubona la. Woo! Eating pop like a mountain.
Kumele wenziwe njani manje?
Like a mountain. Please give me. Please let me your tripod. But like this views. Good light to me. Please borrow me a tripod. I'm just gonna put it here. And then put my phone. And you know. I don't have his gift, please. Today, like mac and cheese. Yeah, like mac and cheese. Asam, busang sangat. How? What's it? Well, it's not like I can buy. I can't buy beggars. So, yeah. May I transfer my money to you? May you? Are you asking? Is that even the question? Send. Who's holding your hand?
Yabo ngoba isitraction manje ufuna ukutsotsa khona boat.
Yabo. Ukhona. Akaphe is warming his food.
Belaphi.
Uwama ukudla kwakhe. Hayi ukuthi uyapheka. Angazi. Should have taken a video of that. Yo. I should have. I follow you on Instagram as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I should probably get them as well. My teeth are like making me insecure. Yeah, you should. And who's the airport for dental, ne? Who's the airport for dental? You won't regret it. You're gonna get in your mind.
Serious like that?
No, bruh. Get your chile there. Chocolate. I really feeling like I'm so happy to talk to you. Nah, me bruh, I am so happy. Yo? Ke mang shwabat? Little brother, he just asked about you. Like ngifuna ukukhapha la manje mina ngikwazi ukwenza nje friend. Konke wazi ukwenza friend.
So couldn't be named it.
Uyakwazi ukumanje? Yay, ndlela sevuma ngayo. I need a gardening essay to do what? I need it all to do what? Oh, Nkosi yami, ngidlala ngokwanele.
When I in South Africa, when people in Nigeria, I
was just asking about you. It's crazy.
Right, too short.
Cleaning. Where are you from? Add me back, let's talk. My network is tweaking, so I can't do that right now. Siyabonga sana. Thank you. Thank you. Who the hell is Senko? What the hell he does? What else he gotta do?
Where you going?
In. There and done. Game.
How was the plus score?
Score. Drum roll.
Oh.
It is a vula. Play me score like I.
How score?
I'm a supervisor.
Yeah.
Let's put us on the waist.
Marana waniga.
Kanti.
Like I was stressed. Okay. Give me.
Why did you even go down over the
I have a long little bit. It's new. I opened the other one. Hi, come now. I was I'm the last person you can give such things. Like, Lena. I'll be asking my little brothers to open for me. So, I think I heard you saying you don't want to get married one day. What if I'll be doing that on gay. Yeah, like I've never dreamt of myself getting married, and like people's marriage. Like I would see I shouldn't get married, but like never say never, but it's not something I think about. Oh, sure, I'll have to open everything for you. Great. Yeah, no shame. I'm the last person you can ask to open things for you. He was just mocking me. Your English is impressive. You think so? I don't think so. But like, thank you. I'm Zulu. I felt in Gom Zulu. Zulu. So in English, I guess. How would you feel if someone proposed to you? Your reaction? Like it depends who's someone. Also, like no, don't do that. But at least tell me. I hate surprises. If I feel like I want to marry you, you need to prepare and then come back and tell you it's actually nah, bro, I can't do this. You can't just kneel down, come so yay. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm not American. I'm too Zulu for that. I'm too African for that. Can you speak American accent? I can't speak American accent. Even if I try, like, I just can't because I'm not American. Yeah. Hi, how are you? How you doing? I love you. I love you the same. Oren. My girlfriend. I'm also just trying to, be like, yeah. Let's go marry, go to like, jokes aside, I need a job. Kantina nifuna nkela ninjali nifuna. So that someone can get a job. What is it that you guys actually want? Because it's definitely not experience, definitely not qualifications, definitely not Obaba Munyesis. I'm just live. I'm just live. Who's mourning in the background there? Do not tell him. This is my. He was my dad before he was your dad.